Jack on the Go show.
Now it's time for Restaurant Roulette.
Okay guys, it's time for another Restaurant Roulette. I've driven past this place 100 times. I've never known anybody to go here, and it's a little hole in the wall. So let's see what it's like inside. I'm sure it's all pita pockets and lamb meat, which I love. Loads of pictures, which I love, as you all know. And let's see, Monday through Saturday. Oh, they're open every day. Cool. They got all the regulars, the gyros, the shawarma, falafel. Start over here. Sandwiches. We can show you the whole menu. Go ahead and pause the video if you need to take a closer look. Let's give you a 360 what the store looks like. Okay, so that is huge pile of meat. I'm guessing there's stuff underneath.
Yes, that's your cucumber salad and all this stuff on top.
Yeah. And you got the combos over there.
I got the pocket. I got the same thing, but it's a pocket.
Oh, it's all wrapped up.
Yep, mine's more like a pocket.
Wow, this is a good job.
Yep.
The meat and then all the toppings, and then when they put toppings on it, they pack more meat on it, and then drizzle more sauce on it. Yeah, like
so there's meat, toppings, meat.
Mm-hmm.
Cool. Well, we got the meats. All right, I guess I'm just gonna try the meat because I got a whole pile of it. It's tender. You guys like the meat? Mm-hmm. Okay, we just got another Restaurant Roulette home run. These guys, the prices were good, the food was good, the service was good. So these guys literally get an A. I'm surprised I haven't been here sooner. So check them out, show them some love. They're well worth it. I just think they're a great place. Did you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They've been here for about a year.
Been there for about a year. They're trying to get the word out. So help me get the word out, okay? All right, love you guys. See you on the next episode.